So I want that whenever I receive a new product purchase from ThriveCart, instantly the details should be added in my Google Sheets. And do you think that I'm just going to do this manually? No, I've simply automated this process, and in this video first I'll show you how this automation is going to work. As you can see, I'm going to purchase this product as dummy user. So let's just enter the details and complete this order right over here to purchase this basic of PHP course as dummy user. You're going to see also the billing address is entered right over here. So now this payment is getting processed. So let's just wait, and it is saying payment successful. This means that we have successfully purchased this product. So let's just open our Google Sheets, and within seconds and in real time the details are added in my Google Sheets. Be it the name, be it the email, be it the product purchase, be it the amount, the order ID or the address. Instantly all the details are added right over here. And do you think that this is a magic? No. This is the power of automation which we're going to build in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send ThriveCart orders to Google Sheets automatically. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free, and yes, this is true. Or you can say that you can add up to 100 of details into your Google Sheets of the new orders for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you and attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how to create this automation. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for ThriveCart right over here and select the same. Now for the event, select it as product purchase. You have two options. You can do this for all the products or for some specific products. I'm just going to do for some specific products. So I've selected as product purchase and click on this connect. Now it is saying select an existing connection or add a new connection. So if you've already created this connection between ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect before, then you can click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, first of all, make sure your ThriveCart account is logged in before starting this automation. Okay, now to get this token, you're going to find this API and webhook hyperlink. Just click on this button and it is going to open this window in front of you if your account is logged in. Now you're going to see this API key section. So go on this view settings of this API key and click on this create API key button. Now you have to name your key. So I'm just going to name this key as new order and click on this create API key button. Now my API key is created. So let's just copy this API key and then paste it right over here in our workflow. After we paste this API key, click on this save, and our ThriveCart account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this amazing connection, we have to choose the product for which we want to create this automation. So I want to create this automation for 2 to 3 products. So I'm just going to choose all the same right over here, which is basic of PHP, advanced PHP, core PHP programming, and also advanced Node.js. So as you can see, I've successfully selected these 4 products for which I want to create this automation. And the product status right now is in test mode because my account is in test mode. If you want to again keep it as live mode too right over here, totally depends upon your account. I am doing this as a test, so I've kept it in test mode over here. Okay, now you just have to click on the save and send test request button. Once you do this, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, I'm just going to purchase the products. So I'm just going to go on this products from the left hand of the site and get the URL for the product of this basic of PHP. I've just have to click on this get the URL button and simply open the URL in a new tab. This is the same product which I chose in my workflow, so I can use this same product to create the test submission. Now I'm just going to purchase this product as demo user. So as you can see, I've entered all of my details, and now for the card number over here, you can copy the test card number or enter the card number according to your own choice and click on this complete order. Once you click on this complete order, it is going to say processing. As my previous workflow is already on, the details will be directly added in my Google Sheets only. Okay, so now you're going to see it is saying processing your payment, completing order, and the payment is successful. You're going to see the details are added over here directly, but I'm just going to delete the details and let's just open our workflow. See that we have captured the webhook response or not, and you're going to see yes, we have successfully captured the webhook response too, and the details are over here in the response. Okay, so now what we're just going to do is we're just going to enter these details further in our Google Sheets. So to do this, just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, you have to choose it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to choose the account using which you want to connect your Google Sheets over here. So let me just choose my account, and once I choose an account, Pabbly is going to ask me for some permissions. So what you and I have to do over here is click on allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because our account is 100% safe with Pabbly, no need to worry. After this, we just have to choose the spreadsheet and the sheet. So the name of my spreadsheet right over here is ThriveCart Sales, and the sheet is sheet 1. So I've chosen the same. Now one by one we have to enter all of these details, but over here's a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, what you have to do is put a slash, then you have to search for the details which you wish to map and map it like this. So my products are in USD only, so I'm just going to simply enter this USD manually. This USD will remain same, only the amount will change right over here. Now for the order ID, I'm just going to put a slash, search for the order ID and map the order ID right over here, which is this. Okay, so I'm just going to map it. Now for the address, I'm just going to search for the address right over here. First of all, I'm just going to map the street, then I'm just going to put a comma. Once again, I'm just going to search for the address, then I'm just going to map the city, then I'm just going to put a comma, then I'm just going to search for the address once again, and what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to map the state this time, then the pin code. So I'm just going to search for the same. Let's just put a comma, search for address, and map the zip code. After doing all of this, I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and I'm going to see if we have received the positive response that we have added these details in our Google Sheets, and I'm going to see the details are added successfully. Now once I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, we're going to see the details are added successfully in my Google Sheets. Now the details are added right over here. Now like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever I'm just going to receive a new order from ThriveCart, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. I don't have to come back into my workflow to click on save and send test request. You know what I have to do? Just sit back and relax. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll also attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.